Hello kids, welcome to the virtual learning program. It's your maths class and I am your maths teacher Ms. Urwah lodhi. Today we will learn about type of clock. Let's start. First of all, you need to remember few things about clock. It is an analog clock. It has round face. It has numbers 1 till 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It has two hands and sometimes it has three hands. Long hand and short hand. Long hand tells minute, so it is called minute hand. Short hand tells the hours, so it is called hour hand. The long hand is pointing to 12 and short hand is pointing to 6, so it is 6 o'clock. The long hand is pointing to 12 and short hand is pointing to 12, so it is 12 o'clock. The long hand is pointing to 12 and short hand is pointing to 3, so it is 3 o'clock. Let's have an activity. Show the hours hand on the clock. In clock A, the time is given 5 o'clock. Show the hour hand on number 5. Yes, it's 5 o'clock. Look at clock B. The time is given 9 o'clock. Show the hours hand on number 9. Yes, it's 9 o'clock. Look at clock C. The time is given 1 o'clock. Show the hours hand on number 1. Yes, it's 1 o'clock. My dear students, we have done this topic in our physical class, so there is no homework for this time. This video is uploaded for your more explanation. So we will meet you in next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.